Greetings. So we've got Farrick again in the chair today. He's going for a brand new fit-in. We've got his usual lace base system, lovely extra light density. You can just see how natural that's going to look when it's on. All graduated hairline bleach knots as standard. So we're going to go like we did in the last video for another tape attachment. But this time we're going to use these bad boys, no shine tapes, just to see how good the hairline looks with these. So it should basically not reflect the light as much as the lace support or the ultra hold tape. So let's see how it goes. We've got the no shines at the front, no shine tapes at the front, and the blue lace support tapes for the back and side perimeters. So we're halfway through the cut now. Just want to zoom in on the crown just to show the density. I mean, I think this is extra light in it, Farrick.
It is, yes.
Yeah. So yeah, plenty of scalp on show. It looks so natural. Lace color match to the scalp, of course. The system's now attached with the tapes with the no shines at the front. And I must say that's pretty good. It's not as good as a glue. Nothing is, but considering that's a tape attachment with our kind of bleach knots and graduated hairline, it looks pretty good. Right, so that's the cut all done. And as you can see, amazing graduated hairline at the front. And remember, that's a tape attachment, not glue. And it still looks pretty good. And on top, we've got that nice extra light density, plenty of scalp on show. Perfect.